Let's make this die target axe. Take the square-shaped paper and make 4 triangular folds on it. Turn it over and make triangular folds again. Now fold the way I'm folding. Take the leftover paper and roll it into a stick. Add the stick into the paper. And here an axe is ready.
Let's make this cute bird beak. Take a piece of paper smaller than A4 size paper or half of it, fold it into half to have a crease. Now make 2 triangular halves equal in size. Make 2 small triangles from the bottom. Now paste it over from the bottom to the top. Now fold it completely in a triangular half. Make 2 such pieces. Punch a hole on both sides. Remember to place the paper one over the other. Take 2 strings and tie them on both the sides. And here it's ready. Perfect for kids to play.
Take an A4 size color paper, make triangular folds twice from one side, then make 2 triangles from the opposite side, then overlap them. Roll them up into fingers, and here it's ready.